The McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II was one of the most iconic and versatile fighter aircraft of the Cold War era, renowned for its speed, power, and adaptability. Originally developed for the United States Navy in the late 1950s as a fleet defense interceptor, the F-4 quickly evolved into a multi-role platform that served across the Navy, Air Force, and Marine Corps. First flown in 1958 and introduced in 1960, the Phantom was a large, twin-engine jet distinguished by its imposing size, tandem two-seat cockpit, and distinctive upswept tailplanes. Powered by two General Electric J79 turbojet engines, it could reach speeds over Mach 2.2 and operate at altitudes exceeding 60,000 feet, making it one of the fastest fighters of its time. The F-4 was equipped with advanced radar and avionics for the era, enabling it to carry a wide array of weapons including AIM-7 Sparrow and AIM-9 Sidewinder air-to-air missiles, bombs, and rockets. Notably, early versions did not have an internal cannon, relying entirely on missiles for air combat, though later variants like the F-4E incorporated a 20mm M61 Vulcan rotary cannon after experience in Vietnam showed the need for close-range gun capability. The Phantom achieved significant combat fame during the Vietnam War, where it served extensively in multiple roles such as air superiority, close air support, interdiction, and reconnaissance. It became the backbone of U.S. aerial operations over Vietnam, flying thousands of combat sorties from aircraft carriers and land bases. The aircraft was often used in MiG cap missions, tasked with protecting strike packages from North Vietnamese MiGs, and its powerful radar and missile systems were crucial for beyond visual range engagements, though early missile reliability and pilot training initially limited effectiveness. The F-4's speed and payload allowed it to perform rapid strike missions against enemy supply routes, bridges, and airfields, disrupting North Vietnamese logistics in operations like Rolling Thunder and Linebacker. Despite its impressive capabilities, the F-4 faced challenges against smaller, more maneuverable MiG-17 and MiG-21 fighters, which exploited the Phantom's lack of an internal gun and sometimes superior agility. This led to a reassessment of air combat tactics and the introduction of programs like Top Gun by the Navy and Red Flag exercises by the Air Force to improve pilot dogfighting skills. The addition of the internal cannon in later models like the F-4E significantly enhanced close combat survivability. The Phantom was also employed for reconnaissance missions in variants equipped with specialized cameras and sensors, providing vital intelligence on enemy positions and movements. Over 12 years of intense combat in Vietnam, the F-4 was credited with 280 air-to-air kills, the highest among U.S. aircraft in the conflict, but also suffered significant losses due to enemy action and surface-to-air missiles, which became an increasing threat as the war progressed. The aircraft's versatility and ruggedness allowed it to be quickly repaired and returned to service, and its ability to carry diverse ordnance types, from conventional bombs and rockets to early precision-guided munitions, made it indispensable to U.S. commanders. Moreover, the experience gained in Vietnam helped shape future fighter design philosophies, emphasizing multi-role capabilities, pilot training, and electronic warfare. The F-4 Phantom II's performance and service in the Vietnam War cemented its place as a legendary fighter bomber that symbolized American air power and technological advancement during a complex and challenging conflict.